Here we are with Robert. It looks like you guys, you have a theme. You like SRTs, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there a special reason why you like these cars? Or it just happened accidentally?
Power, I mean, they're big inside, they're roomy, they're comfortable to set in, so it's a good platform for them.
And good for audio, you have room in it.
Yeah.
What's happening in yours?
So we have the ARC Audio X2 amplifiers.
You have quite a few. So what's running what?
So we have a 1206 running the left side, 1206 running the right side, and the X2 2500 running the 312s.
Okay. And what are those little
And
boxes?
this is the ARC Audio PS8 processor. Looks like I have 3, but I only have one working one. These are just covers.
Covers, I
Covers
see.
the fuses.
Oh, makes sense.
So,
Okay.
Little
That's
activity
very-
points.
Yep, and very clever. Because it looks very good and you also have the functionality. Yeah, it's amazing. Nice beauty panel. And then we have a lot more to see inside of the cabin. Let's go that way. Heavy doors, very heavy doors. From here, we can't see anything from the subs, can we?
No.
No, it's all hidden. Okay, then I jump in. Be careful, because you have a nice mid-bass speaker over there.
That's a Dyne Audio 172.
Do you need grill for it?
They have magnetic grills.
Okay.
As you can see the kind of the magnets.
All right, so for install, you put it
for
on.
install, I put them
Gotcha.
on. For sound, they leave them off.
Okay.
Same with the top. They have grills that go on there, but for doing sound competition, I take them off.
Okay.
And that's the ARC Audio RS4 and the RS Tweeter.
Very simple layout.
Yeah. pretty simple.
Do you have speaker location there from factory?
That's
You
the
have?
factory location.
Yeah.
For the mid range.
I see. So now we have Mark's and yours. Slightly different approach.
Yeah.
We will see what similarities they share
Yeah.
when we play music. If you had to say 2 things that you really like in your systems that stands out, what would you say? What are those things? You can just pause it for a sec. Yeah. What would you say? What are those things?
I would say the stage depth. I do also have a front sub that you can't really see. It's firing up into the dash, so you get the upfront bass really solid in the energy in the front.
Because some people say front sub is not needed, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't believe that anymore.
Yep. And we don't argue about it anymore. There's no point to argue about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just the way it has to be done. This system
Yeah. Once
has
you get
everything.
to that upper level, you definitely need to have a front sub. I think. My opinion.
What would you say if, I know this car is very complete, it hasn't changed for a while, right?
Yeah,
Doesn't
it's
need to
been
change.
this way for 3 years now.
Yeah. Do you feel like anything you could change or upgrade or make better?
Yeah, and that's coming. Bigger subs in the rear.
But then that's a big job.
The lower.
Okay.
Lower.
Because you have 3
extension.
12s?
312s, yeah.
Okay.
In a sealed box, so yeah.
I see.
Maybe a big sub in the back. IB is the.
Just
my
to get that
future.
effortless delivery.
Yeah.
Because that's the good thing,
my-
once you have a front sub, that does the musicality and the punch
Yeah, I could almost mute those rear subs and it makes no difference.
for most of the songs. But
Yeah.
then we have
Yeah.
some that really need that support below
Yeah,
30.
exactly.
Yeah. Amazing. What's the source? What can we
The
mention
file
about that?
M11. I can also use the factory, but for competition, we use the file.
And then controller for the DSP, so it's very easy to
DSP,
control for the judges. Everything is there on the
It's
screen.
all right there, easy to get to.
Easy peasy. Amazing. Mega. And then you are probably the competitor that goes to most of the events, I think.
Yes, I do 3 out of the state events. We'll do the money round in Texas, this one, SVR, and then we'll do finals.
You travel a fair bit.
Have a handful of shows in California that week.
It's amazing. We need more people who have the passion like you and then go to events, show their beauty and share the passion for this sound quality madness we do.
Yeah.
All the hundreds of hours we put into the course. Amazing. Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.